Do you know the difference between a pre-qualification and a pre-approval? Well, a lot of people think that a pre-qualification is enough to go out and look for a home. And nowadays, realtors are doing the best that they can to protect their sellers by insisting upon pre-approvals. And the difference is that to be pre-qualified is a verbal conversation. You just give me a call, we talk about your income and your obligations and your credit history, what you want to accomplish, and then I say, well, based on what you've told me, you should be okay for up to this price. But a pre-approval is a little more in depth. That's where you provide the support to the conversation that we had, the W-2s, the pay stubs, if you're self-employed, the tax returns, maybe bank statements, things like that, so that I can review them as an underwriter would and be able to determine what you'll be able to qualify for. And then we run the credit to make sure that there's nothing that you'll have to take care of or deal with, and the credit score is high enough to get what you want, which doesn't have to be all that high, but it does determine the pricing. And so once you have a pre-approval, you're ready to go. You visited the bank. You've got the money lined up. Now you have to find a property that will suit the requirements for the loan, and your situation would need not to have changed. Change jobs, spend your money, whatever the case may be. So the pre-approval has the strength of everything being confirmed. And you literally have an approval subject to re-verifying the information that is necessary if time goes by, and making sure that the property itself is okay for the loan. So if you want to know more about the difference, if you want to be pre-approved, which is nowadays pretty much required by most sellers, realtors, in fact, even buyers' realtors are suggesting that you get pre-approved, because you really want to know what you qualify for. You don't want to go out there and fall in love with a home that when you get to the point of getting the loan, sorry, it's not going to happen. So get pre-approved. Give me a call if you have any questions or if you'd like to be pre-approved. And I look forward to speaking with you. Have a wonderful week.